Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to easily deactivate your Instagram account, and if you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing and leaving a like. Alright, so first things first, just go to your profile account page. So I'm already on my account page. Just click your profile picture in the bottom right, and then on the top right, you'll see a horizontal 3-bar icon, which is called the hamburger icon. Just click on that. Then you'll see settings and privacy pop up. Just click that. And once you're here, your settings menu may be a bit different compared to mine here because Instagram has made some changes and some updates to the app, so the settings menu might differ from person to person. But if you are having a different menu here, just go to more info and support, click on help, and then click on help center. Just search deactivate, and then click the first result. Temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, click that. And then you can just click on the Android app help depending on what app you're gonna use. You can just click on different platforms that you're using, and then there's steps here that outline how to actually deactivate your account. But if your settings menu is the same as mine, just go to account center here, and then click on personal details on the bottom here, and then click on account ownership and control, deactivation or deletion. Click your Instagram profile here, and then just click on the activate account. Now to continue, it'll ask you to input your password first. So just input a new password or your already existing password. And once you've done that, it'll ask for an option as to why you're actually deactivating your Instagram account. So just choose an option that best fits your reason, and then click on continue. So then after you choose a reason and then click on continue, it'll then actually deactivate your account. Alright, so if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to watch all the upcoming videos, and goodbye.